Cleaning your face before bedtime is a crucial step in maintaining healthy, radiant skin. Your skin accumulates dirt, oil, sweat, makeup, and pollutants throughout the day, all of which can clog your pores and lead to breakouts, dullness, and premature aging if not properly removed. A good nighttime skincare routine, starting with an effective face wash, ensures that your skin stays clean and fresh, allowing it to repair and regenerate while you sleep. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to clean your face before bed to promote healthy skin, along with essential tips to make the most of this important step. Removes dirt, oil, and pollutants. Throughout the day, your skin encounters environmental pollutants, dust, and sweat that accumulate on the surface. These impurities can clog your pores, resulting in blackheads, acne, and irritation. Washing your face helps remove these harmful particles, allowing your skin to breathe. Prevents breakouts. Oil and bacteria can build up on your skin, clogging pores and leading to acne. By cleansing your face before bed, you can minimize the chance of breakouts and keep your skin clear. Promotes skin repair and regeneration. At night, your skin goes into repair mode, regenerating new cells and repairing any damage caused by environmental factors during the day. A clean face allows this process to occur more effectively, leading to healthier, more youthful skin over time. Prepares skin for skincare products. Cleansing your skin before bed creates a clean canvas, allowing your nighttime serums, treatments, and moisturizers to penetrate more deeply and work more effectively. Step-by-step guide to cleaning your face before bed. Step 1. Wash your hands. Before you touch your face, wash your hands with soap and water. Your hands carry bacteria and oils that can transfer to your skin and cause irritation or breakouts. Clean hands ensure that you're not introducing more impurities during the cleansing process. Step 2. Remove makeup if applicable. If you wear makeup, this step is essential to ensure all traces of makeup are removed. Makeup, especially foundation and mascara, can block pores and lead to breakouts if left on overnight. There are several methods to effectively remove makeup. Cleansing oils or balms. These are great for dissolving heavy makeup, including waterproof mascara. Apply the cleansing oil or balm to dry skin, massage gently, and rinse with water. Oils work by breaking down the makeup, leaving your skin clean and hydrated. Micellar water. This gentle cleanser contains tiny micelles that lift away makeup and dirt without drying out your skin. Soak a cotton pad with micellar water and gently wipe your face to remove makeup. Makeup wipes. While convenient, makeup wipes should only be used as a first step, as they often leave residue behind. Always follow up with a proper cleanser. Once all the makeup is removed, you can move on to a deeper cleanse. Step 3. Choose the right cleanser for your skin type. Choosing the right cleanser is crucial for maintaining the health of your skin. The type of cleanser you use should match your skin type. Oily or acne-prone skin. Opt for a foaming or gel cleanser that contains salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide to help control oil and prevent acne. Dry or sensitive skin. Choose a hydrating, creamy cleanser with soothing ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture without stripping your skin. Combination skin. A gentle, balanced cleanser will help cleanse the oily areas while keeping the drier parts of your face hydrated. Normal skin. A mild, non-irritating cleanser will be sufficient for cleansing without disrupting your skin's natural balance. Step 4. Cleanse your face. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Use lukewarm water to open up your pores and prepare your skin for cleansing. Avoid hot water as it can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Apply the cleanser. Dispense a small amount of cleanser into your hands and gently massage it into your skin using circular motions. Pay extra attention to areas that accumulate more oil, like your forehead, nose, and chin. Massage for 30 to 60 seconds. Take your time to massage the cleanser into your skin. This allows the product to break down impurities and cleanse deeply. Be gentle to avoid irritating your skin. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse your face with lukewarm water until all traces of the cleanser are removed. Ensure there's no residue left, as this can clog pores. Pat your skin dry. Use a clean, soft towel to gently pat your face dry. Avoid rubbing your skin, as this can cause irritation and tug at delicate areas, leading to premature aging. Step 5. Follow up with a toner. Optional. A toner can help remove any remaining traces of dirt or makeup, balance your skin's pH, and prepare your skin for the next steps in your skincare routine. Choose a toner based on your skin type. For oily or acne-prone skin, use a toner with salicylic acid or witch hazel to help control oil and tighten pores. For dry or sensitive skin, opt for a hydrating toner with ingredients like rosewater or aloe vera to soothe and moisturize. Step 6. Apply a moisturizer. After cleansing, it's essential to apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and nourished overnight. Even oily skin needs moisture to maintain a healthy balance. For oily skin, choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer or a gel-based product that won't clog pores. For dry skin, opt for a richer, cream-based moisturizer with ingredients like ceramides or shea butter to lock in moisture. For normal or combination skin, a lightweight lotion or gel cream will provide hydration without overwhelming your skin. Gently apply the moisturizer to your face and neck, using upward strokes. Additional tips for healthy skin. Be consistent. Washing your face before bed should be a non-negotiable part of your routine. Consistency is key to maintaining healthy skin. Change pillowcases regularly. Pillowcases can harbor dirt, oil, and bacteria, which can transfer to your face. Changing them at least once a week can help prevent breakouts. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day keeps your skin hydrated from the inside, enhancing your skincare routine. Avoid overwashing. Washing your face too often can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Stick to washing your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. By following this simple yet effective routine, you'll help your skin stay clean, healthy, and glowing. Proper cleansing before bed ensures that your skin can repair itself overnight and absorb the benefits of the products you apply, leading to long-term skin health.